No, it's just that bottom one. It's holding it. Okay.
Open it all the way.
Okay.
Is it open?
No, now
Okay.
now it is.
What's wrong with that magpie suit?
Oh,
Boy.
good boy.
Good boy. It's okay.
Good boy, Jim. I'm freaking out.
You won't.
I think it is unplugged.
Okay.
There's nothing in that outlet.
Hello, pretty boy. Hello, pretty boy.
What's that? It's okay.
You gotta turn the lights off.
Hey, you want some? Yeah, that's fine. Is it shut? Go ahead, Charlie. Push it shut. How to get my camera?
Look at it. Here, when are you guys going to introduce? Huh?
Yep. Fence off still?
Huh?
Anytime you unhook the electric fence, sure is. I hook it on here, guys.
Look at him. Look at him.
Just take this and hook it on the end of
He's
the other.
showing off.
Okay.
That way they don't get tangled in it.
Okay.
He's showing off.
It is. Look at him. He's all proud of himself.
God. It's a he.
Uh-huh.
It's beautiful.
No, it's a fixed heat.
Look at that. Look at that trot.
What's like a gelding?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Look at the mules flipping out. Hi. Hi.
It's a beautiful horse.
Hi, Fat Jan. Hi.
Women that go, what?
Wide butts like that one. That's a strong looking horse.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
Look at the haunches on that thing.
I'm blown away.
Look at the haunches on that.
That's a nice, beautiful, healthy horse. Whoa.
It's all right. You just turned the fence back on?
No.
Oh.
He hit the cable.
Look at that tail. He looks like a radio.
I know.
He's got a pretty trot.
He's got a gorgeous trot.
I know.
I don't know if she's in or out anymore.
Well, if
Lays
she was
back
in,
the bedroom, I don't have any idea.
here's Kelly.
Gorgeous.
He's
God.
he's strong.
Isn't he pretty? He's going to be strong. He's beautiful.
Cover off.
You go, Chance.
He's marking his territory.
Look
Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh, shut up.
What happened?
Nothing. You be quiet.
Matt, you can go in the field and film it.
No, I'm fine. I get